All right, it's time for the ultimate showdown. Cats versus dogs. Round 1, who's cuter? Cats all curled up in a perfect ball, or dogs with their goofy wagging tails? Round 2, who's more independent? Cats, the masters of doing their own thing, or dogs, the loyal companions who never leave your side? Round 3, who's the better playmate? Dogs ready to fetch all day, or cats always turning a box into an adventure? So, which team are you on? Team cat or team dog? Drop your pick in the comments, like, subscribe, and let the battle continue.